In this video, we look at enabling add-ons in Blender. Let's get started. The next step in setting up Blender is to enable the add-ons we'll need for the course. In Blender, add-ons are Python scripts that add functionality, enabling a multitude of varied tasks. To begin enabling these add-ons, press F4 to open the File Context menu. At the bottom, we'll find an option to open Preferences. Inside Preferences, let's navigate to the Add-ons tab, where every available add-on will be listed. If you need to understand more about individual add-ons, simply expand the corresponding tab. Each has a documentation link to give you thorough information. The first add-on we can enable is close to the bottom, so grab the slider on the right and drag down towards the bottom. Our target is the Loop Tools add-on, situated under the letter M for Mesh and labelled as Loop Tools. This add-on grants additional mesh editing functionality, which are vital when editing in edit mode for more efficient mesh object modification. To enable this specific add-on, place a checkmark in the box here. If you wish to disable it later, just remove that checkmark. Further information can be obtained by expanding it and reading the associated documentation link. In the location field below, you will find the location of the add-on. It is located in the Edit menu of the sidebar. Below in the tab category, the name field here is customizable. You can designate a custom tab by entering a name. So let's come to the sidebar. Click the button to broaden the sidebar or use the N key to toggle it open and closed. Notice that in object mode there is no edit menu, so you must be in edit mode. Therefore, select the cube or any mesh object and switch to edit mode from the mode menu up top here. Now the edit menu on the sidebar displays the Loop Tool add-on. Let's create a personal tab for this add-on in the sidebar and call it Loop Tools. Let's return to Preferences. In the name field, simply rename it Loop Tools. Instantly the tab name updates to Loop Tools. One more add-on we'll activate is called Node Wrangler. So let's come back to the Add-ons tab. It's located a bit further on down, so scroll until you find Node Wrangler. Should you face any difficulty in locating any add-on, there is a search feature up top. Input Node Wrangler and it should appear listed. This particular add-on plays a crucial role when working with materials and configuring textures, as it simplifies the texture node setup. Take the time to read the documentation for more insight into this add-on. Below you'll also find a hotkey list, so be sure to try some out. That's it for enabling add-ons, but as we progress through the course, we can enable additional add-ons as they become necessary. Let's close Preferences. When many add-ons are enabled, the sidebar can get crowded out with tabs, and that's where the Add-ons filter can help you manage the add-ons more effectively. Press Tab and switch back to Object Mode first. In the Tool tab, expand Workspace. Here we can enable Filter Add-ons. This will set all to disable, and then you can enable the ones you need in the current workspace or blend file. Just be careful, as when the filter menu is enabled and the add-ons are not checked on, they will not be available.